Become aware of your heart and take a deep breath in through the nose and let the air flow out of your mouth. Quieting the mind with your breath and your attention on your heart. As if you're breathing with your heart. Allow your breath to become slower, to become deeper. To come back to yourself, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is surrender. Surrender your thoughts, surrender your feelings, surrender everything. Imagine for a second just letting go of everything, giving it back to Source, out of your hands, completely free. Letting everything just dissolve into nothingness. Reconnect to your true self by letting go of everything that's preventing you from feeling connected to yourself. And allow yourself to just rest for a minute. Rest as awareness, as beingness. You don't have to do anything. Just be. Breathe. Relax. Surrender.